you cold? Are you cold? It's Louie the Boiler Man. I came to bring the fire. We're gonna heat it. Just heat it. Wepa!
Here comes the winter's getting cold around here. Don't wanna freeze you, but you need some heat in here. We bring the fire inside, make the cold disappear. So heat it, just heat it.
Wepa!
You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna be cold, you need the boiler man. You wanna be hot, cold as quick as you can to heat it. Cause you need that heat bath. Heat it, heat it. All I wanna do is heat it. Your boiler's too clunky and it won't light. It doesn't matter, we get it just right. Just heat it, just heat it, just heat it, just heat it, just heat it.